Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's episode. Today is Wednesday and marks another trading day of the week. So, before we go to the charts, let's check fundamentals. Hey, why is it that these days we don't have news? Okay, so today too, can see that we have no news except 5 p.m. for 10-year bond auction. Well, since there is no fundamentals, let's go back to our charts. And yesterday gold didn't really make any good move, but we still got something nice to trade. Right. Yeah. And as we were expecting the market to push to 24, 26 level for the push to the downside, the market decides to drop at 24.18. It dropped to the downside, went back up, gave us a double top formation with two pin bar candles, each one pin bar candles, and that was the reason for our entry yesterday. And gold actually gave us some nice trade. All right. So what is going to happen today? Let me clear this chart. First of all, daily time frame. Now, if you look at daily, what can you see? If you ask me, I see a lot. I see what? I see a lot. Hmm. Okay, so what do I see? Let me tell you what I see. I see levels. Some have been broken, some are yet to be broken. Yeah. So are we expecting a buy or sell today? Looking at the zones I'm marking, are we expecting a buy or a sell? If you ask me, according to daily time frame, there is more possibility for the market to go back to 24.83. Okay, sorry, 23.83, 23.63 rather. Right, there is a possibility for the market to go back there, looking at what happened in daily time frame since Monday. All right, so let's go to H4 to make more meanings to what is happening. Now, if you look at H4, you can see that we have H4 zone right here. Okay, have H4 zone, and recently you can see that 2410 has been respected strongly. Right, 2410 has strongly been respected. And also, this level has broken out already. 2393 has broken out already. So potential pullback to 2393 for a continuation sell. And as it is selling 2393, the next level is 2378. And from there, and another level right here, 2355. All right. So these are the levels. And what happens if gold refuses to go down? What can happen? What is the worst case scenario if gold doesn't go bearish? If gold doesn't go bearish, then we will have to wait for a candle to close above this level right here to tell us that yes, gold has failed to sell. Then H4 candle, then you'll be looking for the buy at the retest here all the way to 24.44 level right here. All right. Yeah. So these are the levels. Now let me take you to H1 where I will officially draw my zones. Okay. So if you ask me, these are my zones where I will be waiting for gold today. Okay. Yeah. So this is the breakout I spoke about. So a retest. The market respect that level, gold sells back to this zone. Okay. And using H1, this is it. So we should be waiting for this. Okay. Yeah. We should be waiting for this level right here. If this level doesn't respect, then the next level for gold is right here. Okay. So these are the levels you should be expecting gold today. Now, if a candle closes above here, each one candle closes above this level, then potentially the market will go back to give us a third touch here. Okay, take note of this. If a candle closes above, a bullish candle closes above here, then potentially we'll go back here to give us a triple top or a third touch. If that happens, we will still sell. All right. If not, and it pushes back here and respects this break and retest, then the market drops. Even though you can see that it has respected already, it broke out with this candle and retested and started selling. All right. So I'm not sure it will retest again. If it's going to retest, that will be a second touch on the break and retest level, and it can still sell. All right. So all you need to do now is to exercise patience. During London or New York session, we are going to get some clear directions from gold, which will give us some good, nice reward. Okay? So we shouldn't be rushing, trying to get an entry at all cost. Let me see if I can connect this trend line very well. Okay, okay, makes much sense. Yeah. So you can see that trend line coming. Even yesterday, I didn't see there was a trend line, but today I've seen it. Right. So a retest to this trend line again and give you another sell. Right. Something like this. It's possible. Okay. So guys, all we need to do is to exercise patience and see what is going to happen. Right. So expect this or breakout for it to fly. Okay. Yeah, so two scenarios. And from here, can still look for another sell back to here. Right. So right now, all we need to do is to exercise patience and wait. Okay. We are in Asian session. We don't trade Asian session. So we have to wait for London and New York, which will give us the reward we are looking out for. Okay. So just sit back and wait, relax, and don't force the market. This is Pip Hunter here, and the Pip must pay. Make sure to manage your risk very well because you have no idea of which trade hitting your TP and which trade hitting your stop loss. It's only risk management which can keep you active in the game for the long run. So until then, I will see you in another video. Kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel, comment, like, and share the video. I will see you tomorrow and have a nice day.